happy Friday. I don't see you a whole lot over here on So Fontsy, but today is Black Friday and it is the start of our annual 12 days of Christmas deals. So it's worth me popping in here to say hi to you guys and tell you a little bit about our deals and how this is gonna work. And I wanna make sure you don't miss anything, including today's Black Friday sale, which is 20% off all bundles on So Fontsy. So all the featured bundles, extra 20% off, which is a massive, massive savings because a lot of these bundles are already 90 to 95% off. So here's how this works. Every year we do a 12 days of Christmas deals sale. 12 deals, 24 hours each from now until 12 days from now. And to be honest with you, I don't even know what the date is because that's just how this time of year is for me. But I am going to tell you that there's a headquarters that you can make sure you check it on every day, which I link to. It's going to tell you what the current deal is, and it's going to tell you what deal you missed. So if you have a little FOMO, I'm going to tell you, you can sign up to get text alerts for the deals, okay? So you don't miss any. So if you go to the blog post, that's where all of the 12 deals will be. I link to it up top, below, wherever. You can sign up. There's a code. You text the code 12DEAL to this number, which is way longer than I really would like it to be, but it will tell you, we will then send you an alert every day. Hey, today's deal of the day is whatever. And if you want it, super, click and get it. And if you don't want it, super, you'll get another one the next day to let you know. Now, if you are new to So Fontsy, you are in for a treat. We have so many awesome things. So whether you are someone who makes stickers, I'm gonna show you stuff. This is all stuff that I've made from So Fontsy. So, well, this little set's cute, but little dog stickers. This is Christmas stickers I just printed out. Whether you're a sign maker, Sublimation, whether you're a bag maker, all this stuff, all these designs and everything are all from So Fontsy. Did I forget to change I'm backwards, aren't I? I apologize for that. So let's see what else I have in here. All this stuff has been made from designs from So Fontsy. So, Sublimation tumbler, tons of tumbler designs. Let's see. Excuse me. Sign designs, this is vinyl on wood. This is dog mom shirt, bleached and then sublimated. What else do we have in here? Farmhouse your style. We've got designs for farmhouse, of course, lots of them. Oh, holiday, all types of holiday designs. This is obviously a vinyl, heat transfer vinyl on burlap. You never know what you're gonna find in this little bag of tricks. This was printable heat transfer. This is embroidery. The only things I'm showing you are designs that are from So Fontsy, which is literally all I have. Wine bag, I think we all could use this, am I right? Oh, more. Oh, I'll get that in a minute. This was heat transfer vinyl and then embroidery. By the way, if you're looking for embroidery designs or you're looking for an embroidery machine that's for beginners, I've got that over on my deals group. More designs. I mean, look, every holiday you can, for Sublimation, so the point, look, wood spoon. This is, excuse me, torch paste. I feel like Mary Poppins right now. Leather, these are actual like leather and felt bows. Again, templates from So Fontsy. My point here is there's a whole lot of stuff over there. Look at this, this is so cute. This was printable heat transfer and then I also added glitter HTV. Slate, etched slate. Again, designs, all these designs from So Fontsy. Oh, look how cute that one is. That was my first ever embroidery, so cute. Applique, I should say. This one is not from So Fontsy, but I'll show you anyway because it's adorable. This was a note that one of my kids wrote, and I turned it in, traced the handwriting. Okay, so, and then of course this is direct to garment. So, not only do you have a lot of options for designs, but the designs can be applied with tons of different techniques. So whether you have a silhouette machine, whether you have one of the new Caesar Juliets or Caesar Romeos, whether you have a label or sticker printer, whether you have a Cricut, sublimation printers, which I guess I can just turn you right around here so you can see what else. If you have direct to garment, a heat press, if you have wide format sublimation, inkjet for stickers, small format sublimation, white toner. I mean, really here, guys, the amount of designs that we have on Fontsy goes on so many different surfaces, so many different techniques. So I want you to hop over there. Make sure you don't miss any of the deals for, obviously today, that 20% off bundles, but make sure you don't miss any of the 12 days of deals because those deals are only gonna last 24 hours. So I wanna make sure you don't miss them, okay? All right, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful holiday season. I do apologize, it's backwards. I did not flip the camera, but hopefully you get the point. All right, you guys, see you soon.